Hey guys, this is Jason again, but just wanted to give you guys an update on Red Panda. I've been blasting Instagram with all the videos and pictures on the air conditioning swap here, but just wanted to give you guys a update here. Basically, we are doing a vacuum test right now. Sorry for the annoying motor, but fortunately that thing makes noise. But basically, before we finalize the design here, we are actually just making sure everything is holding a seal. As you guys see, everything is hard lined in. Air compressor is down there. And sorry for the jet noise. I guess the Navy decides to fly their planes on a Sunday. I guess they don't take a break. But I got roughly about another 30 minutes to do the vacuum test here. But after that, I'll leave the system it's still pressurized under vacuum and hold it for another 30 minutes. There's plenty of videos out there on actually how to actually pressurize and actually do AC. I'm not gonna do a video on that. I just wanted to give you guys kind of an update. You know, not too many h22 swapped Del Sols have AC in it. And we will do kind of like an overall kind of guide on how we did it. Not a tutorial, but more of a kind of a guide. But at this point, once the time lapse is done on this, we got roughly about another hour or so before we get to the next step. So once we get there, I'll do the fancy editing, and we'll see you roughly in about an hour. Peace. Hey guys, welcome back. It's been roughly about an hour-ish since last time I said hi to you guys, but I don't know if you guys want to see what so far the progress we've made. We got the full-size radiator back in. We got the condenser all bolted up with the brackets.
I mean, this should be just fine, but we're just gonna make like a bracket to hold this guy back.
Yeah, we're still gonna make a bracket. We're not 100% guys, but we just kind of want to give you guys kind of a ride along. You want to angle that in so you can show them the clearance that we got.
It's kind of tight, but that's the clearance that we have. Look about like an 1/8 of an inch, maybe a 1/16 of an inch between the fan or the radiator and the compressor. But I'm hoping it's actually enough just so whenever this engine is running, he does go wide open throttle on a few times. He doesn't want to smack the radiator. So that's what we're hoping for. So, but since this thing has polyurethane mounts from Hasport, then we should be just fine because this thing does stay pretty solid. It might be fine now that I think about it, because I don't see any wear marks on this radiator or on the fan, because this entire assembly would have to move. So with that being said, then this should be fine as well. It should be fine.
As you guys see, system's still holding a vacuum. We pretty much just got to fill her up, put some radiator fluid in it, and then at that point we'll kind of send it and see if put some refrigerant in it and see if all the hard work and engineering and all that hard time we've tried to get this thing to fit in here, see if it actually works.
Well, it better friggin' work. It better work, because this thing is, it's a weird pain in the ass, but
it's gonna be well worth it in these Virginia summer times.
So you figure out where that 1 volt is for down here.
It's right there.
Right where?
Behind your elbow.
Right here?
Yep, that one.
Give this guy an extension. Pretty much what we had to do for the radiator to fit with the condenser is cut some more material off here, put new brackets in there just to hold it off to the side. We still got a nice gap down between the radiator and the compressor there, so that we don't have to worry about it hitting.
Yes, we still got to splice the wire, guys. That's the last thing we're going to do before we put the bumper back on.
Of course, we got the condenser right there.
We We got a mounting bracket right here. As you guys see, there's plenty of clearance with the compressor. And yes, I do need a new harmonic balancer, guys. One's on the way.
Alright. It's just to show that it isn't on pretty good. This guy's not going anywhere. It's on there really nice and tight. We also had to drill a hole up here. We're going to clean this up, but we had to drill a hole to give the clear access for this line. And it does actually work.
Yeah, you will be able to service it. But that's on the hot side, so the low side. I thought I heard something. Oh. I'm just going nuts, guys.
But yeah, as you see, everything's all wrapped up. We're using all straight OEM, all OEM lines. The only fabrication we had to do to the lines was just bend them, twist them, contort them, get it the follow shape we needed to follow. And unfortunately, with the dryer, we could not put it back up here in the factory location because it would not reach.
Technically, this is the factory location, right here. But we had to do a little manipulating here.
Pretty much, because this line is the shortest line, it would not reach from the condenser all the way up to here where we wanted it at, because we had no room anywhere else. Other than that,
I'm trying to get you guys a clear shot. As you guys see right there in the center of the photo or the video here, that's the Civic compressor. As you see, there's maybe not a ton of clearance, but there's definitely over a 1/4 inch.
It's definitely working.
And then if you look, we got a full-size Integra radiator here, and we still got to make a bracket here. That's just condensation, guys. That's normal.
Yeah.
Which is part of the reason why we are heat wrapping this.
I would say that, like I said earlier, you guys want to do this? Take your time. Make sure the car can be off the road for a good weekend. And take your time, get it done. And make sure you have the proper lines. So that's one of the issues we came across was, since this is a 93, it was still running the R12 lines. From 94 and above, of course, it's getting converted over to 134. And
which would explain all those.
Yeah.
I don't know if you guys can see that.
So basically, that was a kid that he bought off eBay, and he got off by 1 year. That was actually off of 94, and of course, this is 93. And I personally didn't want to take. I don't know the part off the top of my head. The block inside the firewall, I didn't want to take that off so we can run R134 the whole way through.
Basically, the air conditioning piece on the dash, on the battery.
Basically, I don't know what I'm talking about. Either way, the lines are different. You can't even interchange them if you wanted to. Like say for example, you had a break in one line, you cannot change it because the thread pitch is different. I already tried it.
Yep, the only way to change it is if you change everything. I mean, compressor, condenser, evap, I mean, everything.
So, pretty much, that's pretty much about it, guys. So,
It's live.
Alright, let's see what we got for temperature here.
So what you doing, Matt?
My temp gun, infrared thermometer, of course, Harbor Freight, I don't care. Works good for me. Checking the ground right now. We're about 88.1 degrees. Now I'm going to face it on the front here and getting 75. Ooh, wow, damn, that's really good. Let's see, 72. Not bad. But yeah,
just a rule of thumb, guys. This isn't like, you know, rocket science here. This is just, you know, this thing's not like scientifically accurate.
Let's see here. Does that have a little bit different? Yeah, it's definitely noticing a big difference. I mean, that's perfect. But yeah.
little
this
sneak
guy.
peek. Here's a little sneak peek.
So I'm pretty sure I give a little bit of insight on it. But of course, as you guys see, that car is ready to go. This one's a lot better. I turn this fan off. Of course, as you guys know, this is already my go-kart. It's got the Honda V16 Z6 engine in the back of it. It's under reconstruction, as you can see, and the front end's almost squared away. It's so much stronger, it's not even funny. It seems ridiculous.
Yeah, these new mounts are so much better, Matt. So much better. And the welder definitely is going to improve our craftsmanship here.
Definitely. But the welder is a 75-25 shielding gas oxygen mix, and we're running the .03 solid wire, not the flux core, the solid wire. Obviously, you know what you're doing, you'll know the difference between the two immediately. And one of the ways I learned that, kind of stupid, it's been such a long time for me, was this is what flux core does. Even with the same settings and all that stuff, that's what flux core does. This is what solid wire does. That's what you want it to do. But anyways, steering's straight now. After getting this guy pretty much in, got gussets in to the sides. As you make more gussets, make another gusset from the front to the frame rail, on the back to the frame rail. That makes this thing extremely strong. And then, so not tomorrow, not Tuesday, but Wednesday, which hopefully this video is out way before then. I plan on finishing getting this guy tied in. I just
show them the piece that you're going to replace it with.
What piece is that?
The top mount.
Oh yeah. Okay.
See.
These are the top mounts.
See, guys. Since he's taken off the, he's going to weld it up.
Hold it up on both sides. Get everything all lined up. I've been measuring things left and right, double checking my work, and then I notice whenever I move stuff around, everything else tends to shift, and I'm kind of compensating for that. So I'm coming up with a system to get this thing to become solid. Almost trying to raise the engine transmission up a little bit higher, just because my shifter linkage going from the shifter stick all the way to the transmission itself is sitting in an awkward angle. So it'll shift better if I can get it parallel with the ground or parallel with the body of the vehicle actually. When that's done, you get all welded in place. We got the turbo system back there. Of course, you guys have followed my Instagram. You guys will notice about that stuff. Segura T3. We're adding on to it, and it's all right here. Of course, gas tank. Still haven't finished up that stuff yet, but the gas tank is going in the back, not the front anymore. It's going in the back. So since I got more room in the front, guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna make, a trunk. Just because I can. If I can actually get the
that'll be the next video. He'll give you some more updates and some more details on the trunk.
But anyways, that's pretty much about it for right now with this car. Now we got the Red Panda ready. We are now able to focus our time on to Lug Nut X. So anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with all your buddies. I mean, come on.
So basically what Matt's trying to say is do all the social media jazz, do the like, subscribe, go to the Instagram, go to the Facebook. Yes, we got it all. And just a little bit of a insider note, just a kind of a tidbit. We are actually are in the creation of making a website, potentially having merch. Don't have an ETA on that yet, but I am in the process of coding the website. So hopefully in the next couple of months we should have a merch store and all that good .com stuff. So is there anything else I missed, Matt?
To my knowledge, no, I think you nailed it. Just like I think we nailed this. Fully functioning AC system with an h22 and the also with a full radiator. I've never seen it done before, not even documented. So So it's the first. So enjoy.
Peace. So basically Matt's trying to say, we'll see you guys in the next one. We'll see you guys later.